taste of victory.
Can you do a picture?
You're so nice.
Here, I want you to know I was here in 69 time trials and I watched you run. Now I'm back again.
Nothing gonna stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up. Nothing gonna stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up. Right now, we're on the ride of our lives.
How many times do you have something on your bucket list that you think you'll never ever get to do? For me, today is that time. Come along with me and find out what I'm about to do that I can check off my bucket list after I experience the Indy 500.
All the way, all the way, all the way. Right now, we're on the ride of our lives, off the ground. We're on the rise, stars in our eyes. You can't bring us down, you can't stop us now, because right now we're on the ride of our lives. Ride, no, 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 no. Ride till you feel it. Ride, no, 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 no. Ride till you feel it. Ride, no, 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 no. Ride till you feel it. Ride, no, 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 no. Ride till you feel it. Living in the moment, you know where we're going. We've been on the rolling, we ain't never slowing down. We keep climbing, we're riding all the way, all the way, all the way. Right now, we're on the ride of our lives, off the ground. We're on the rise, stars in our eyes. You can't bring us down, you can't stop us now, because right now we're on the ride of our lives. Ride, no, 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 no.
This is Bobby Unser's 1968 winning car. This is the car that chased the turbine for 197 laps before it failed, and he ended up being the winner in 1968, Bobby Unser.
Let's just forget the ground. Higher now, higher now.
75-year-old Indianapolis. It is, of course, an annual test of the driver's expertise behind the wheel of a 200-mile-an-hour race. But more than that, it is a proving ground for designers and carpenters.
Can you guess where I'm at? We are in the first turn of the Indy 500. The very first time ever coming to this speedway was in about 1969, 1970. My cousin Harold and I were good friends, did a lot together. Our cousin Bobby brought us here in April so that we could experience the time trials. First time ever we came to this track. And who knew that we would live in Indy for about 10 years and experience so much of what the Speedway brought to our lives. Even ministry opportunities that opened up once the Brickyard 400 arrived. So I hope that you get to experience this track in a personal way, as we did in Forever Change, because patiently.
You look like a race car driver.
I feel like one. My glass glasses on too.
So, tell me about it.
Well, here we are at the Indy 500. I feel really good about my chances this year. I expect to finish no less than number 2
Are you going to
because,
beat Mario Andretti?
if possible, I will.
Are you going to ride with him?
We're hoping possibly. We'll see.
Yeah, get your breath. Okay. Back. You have to just get a picture. Yeah, I can.
Hold your arms up for a second. Yeah, that's where you'll hold while the ride is going. Hold on here now. There you go. The handles. Wherever they are. Yeah. All right, just lean your head forward. Palm your hands.
Now,
All right, you're in. During the ride, it has to be down. We're getting ready to take off right now.
Okay.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Here comes the man. What do you think?
I think it's worth doing. 180 miles an hour is different than I thought it would be.
So how was it?
It's kind of like riding with Dino. I kept trying to give counsel and advice and wouldn't listen. The driver wouldn't. Not that Dina doesn't listen, but the driver wouldn't listen. He just kept saying something about turn left, turn left. So, but it was a life experience.
Awesome. So what do you do here, Tim?
An observer, not a spotter. Observer.
And this is the what? Fourth turn?
Fourth turn. Fourth turn.
And you've been doing this for how long?
45 years.
Yeah, you're old.
We're on the ride, riding for lives off the ground. We're on the rise, stars in our eyes. Buckle up your seatbelts, we about to free fall. Hanging out the window, what you think of me now?